I could do this all day. If you guys are anything like me and you've been thinking about doing this streaming gaming channel thing for a long time, and it's been months since I started this channel, you need a webcam. So I decided to finally pull the trigger, and I have the Anker PowerConf C200. As you can see, reading is not my strong suit, but it's the PowerConf C200. It is a 2K HD webcam. It's got 2K 30 frames per second, a 95-degree field of view, 2 microphones, USB-C, and autofocus. And the cool thing about this one that I really liked, not that I'm a conspiracy theorist or anything like that, but I like to be able to close my webcam without having to put a sticky note or something over the top of it. So I decided to purchase one that has the option to conceal the webcam. It makes life easier for me. Now, the question is whether or not I will actually do a Twitch stream or make a YouTube video with my face in it while gaming, so people can see the reaction of what I look like when I die in Apex. I don't know if I will. I don't know. I'm still nervous. As much as I like doing these videos, I'm pretty nervous to kind of be live. It throws me off. I don't know. There's just something about it that I'm not a fan of. That scares me. But here's what everything looked like. I kind of got a little eager beaver, so pulled it out of the packaging. And then, I mean, it looks pretty good. It's not, you know, Apple unboxing or anything, and I'm a Samsung guy, so I'm giving the credit to Apple where it's due. I like a lot of budget stuff in my setup. If you guys haven't seen my other video, I did a one with the HyperX solo cast and the HyperX, I think it's a double quad cast. That's what it is, quad, not single, double, triple burger. So this is what this guy looks like. So it clips on. I really wanted one that like had the rotating pivoty, but that's all right. This should do. You guys can see it's got a little clamp arm. So I'm gonna find a good spot for this, and yeah. Another cool thing with it is it's got the threads already for a tripod, so if you have like a cell phone one, you can use it for that too, which I do happen to have, so I don't have to keep it on my computer. And then pretty lengthy cord. Well, actually not bad, but I'd say it's about 6 inches.
Giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.
Go ahead and plug this in somewhere. Where do you go? It makes sense in the back. Of course it plugs in the back. Look at that. All right. And then this little shutter guy. Whoop, 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 whoop. I could do this all day. That's kind of cool. All right, let's plug this in, and the rest of the video that you'll see is gonna be on this, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts. So this is the webcam. Pretty clear, pretty crisp. Okay, I look kind of good. All right, I like this. I like this. Yeah, I mean, this is the quality. I don't know if this is recording through, okay, it is recording through the microphone on this, so we can also test that out, see how that sounds. And then I guess I should probably play a couple games of Apex and let this thing record and see how it does with the audio. It's kind of cool to have the microphone on this. I have to see which one is worthwhile. I'll probably use that for something and then use my HyperX for the other things, if you know what I mean. But overall, looks good. I don't really know what else there is to do for a webcam video. What do people normally do? I gotta get the studio set up a little bit nicer, but this is it. This is it. Alright, so I've got blackout curtains on both windows. The only light that's coming in is from the PC and the monitors themselves. So you guys can kind of tell from here, this is pretty good low light. So I can be gaming. Where's my controller? I can be gaming. And you guys could be watching me. But solid, nonetheless. If you guys are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you are eager to see me get to making some more videos again, drop some comments, show some support, and give me peer pressure, because I can't back down if there's peer pressure. I'm a chicken. But yeah, until next time, my friends, this is a great purchase. This is a good webcam.